many times I wish you were near to the velvet shadows of my dreams. Many times I wish you were near to the darkest night. It's still that it seems that you never said what I needed to hear. Just tell me you love me. Whisper words I so long to hear. Let the time not be borrowed. Let it be out to share. If you tell me you love me, it will lead to it to your heart, to the nearness of silence. You love me.